Doctor, I'm told that I have diabetes and I must be on medication for the rest of my life. Is this true or false? Oh, this is totally false. My name is Dr. Cooper Dockery. I'm board certified in internal medicine, practicing for over 34 years. I do practice um, traditional medicine. Yes, I prescribe medication to my patients, but I also prescribe healthy, wholesome lifestyle, a holistic approach to health. And there's so many patients who were told, hey, you have diabetes and you need to be on medication for the rest of your life. This is not so. So I'll tell you about my patient, John. John's 25 years old, came in to see me, weighing about 400 pounds. His blood sugar was about 390. Cholesterol was high, blood pressure high. He was depressed, and sat with him and his mother, and we discussed a healthy approach to decreasing his blood sugar. Mother came in, and John started taking his healthy approach. He changed his life to a healthier, holistic approach to health. Better nutrition, more exercise, less stress. And in a year, he lost 90 pounds. And of course, improved his blood sugar, improved his blood pressure, improved his cholesterol, and is on his way to a healthier lifestyle. And I always tell my patients, listen, if food is the problem, then medication has no use. You see, with obesity, one develops insulin resistance. As one loses weight and you improve or you cure your insulin resistance, then you're also going to cure your type 2 diabetes. So if you were ever told that you have diabetes and you need to be on medication for the rest of your life, this is really not so. If you want more information, you can follow me on all the platforms, watch my videos, and you will learn how to take a holistic approach to health and how to improve your overall health. See you soon.